Hi friends, good morning. This is Srikant. Today I will explain about dates YTD DAX function in Power BI Desktop. See this here, dates YTD DAX function syntax. Dates YTD and select next to add dates and next to add end of year, year end date. Okay, let's check this DAX function in Power BI Desktop. See this here, I'm already imported some data and next to go to report and click new measure. And type here calculate sum of sales and close this parenthesis and add financial date column, close this parenthesis. See this here, calculate is a function name, sum is a function name, add financial is a table name and sales. Okay, and this is sum of sales function, and next one is dates YTD is a function, and next one is add financial is a this table name and added column name date column. I'm added date column. Okay, let's check this DAX function. Okay, see this here, this is curd, select this curd and next to select measure to, see this here 9.2 millions. Okay, let's check this function. Okay, let's do check this function. Select the slicer and see this here, now I am selecting year and select drop down. Okay, see this here, next to select curd and select sales. Okay, see this here, now I am selecting 2014. See this here 9.3.2 million sales. Okay, see this here 9.3.2 millions. Okay, this is dates YTD DAX function in Power BI Desktop.